पहला बॉर्डर बहुत ज़बरदस्त था. अभी क्या होगा? Now the film is released, so you can see all the people who were talking bullshit about the film. So
हाँ.
it's changing. I think I am disclosing this for the first time. I
Okay.
auditioned for Border in Turban. On our days off, we used to play cricket in the hotel. So Varun भाई की टीम से मुझे कॉल आ जाता है. You see a car coming on the sets, and Sunny sir is getting out of the car, and you're like, oh, that's Sunny Deol. एक परफॉर्मेंस खराब दे दो ना, तो 5 अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस लोग भूल जाते हैं और हम वहाँ बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, हम कैमरा में नज़र भी नहीं आए.
Okay.
और बट वी वर वेरी हैप्पी कि हमें 7,000 मिल रहे हैं और टिकट मिल रहा है.
This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on Indian Express screen, and I am here in conversation with Paramveer Singh Cheema.
Hi Nawaz.
Hi Paramveer, how are you?
Always lovely talking to you.
Absolutely, and congratulations, Border 2 has released.
Thank you.
And it is doing so well.
Yes.
You know, advance bookings में ही we saw that craze for the audience.
Yeah.
And you know, given the fact that it is such an iconic film, Border has been a cult classic
Yes.
in Indian cinema. Being associated to a project like this, what is the excitement it comes with and what is the pressure it comes with?
So it goes both ways.
Okay.
Excited and nervously excited. But I call it nervously excited.
Okay.
So when I knew that I'm a part of Border now, so pressure was itself there because of the first Border, because it's been a cult classic, and to touch such subject again, it's a pressure in itself.
Right.
So when we were shooting, because every actor has performed wonderfully in the first one. So when we were shooting, we always used to talk about this कि bro, पहला border बहुत ज़बरदस्त था. अभी क्या होगा? And when we started shooting, when we went on set, I think 4-5 days through the shoot, we were very confident. Okay, I think the ship is going to sail nicely, and now the film is released, so you can see all the people who were talking bullshit about the film. So it's changing.
Absolutely.
And I hope कि अभी this coming next weekend also it do wonders. So we can just hope for the best.
Absolutely. And you know, I was reading somewhere that आपने बोला था कि there was a certain hesitation
Yes.
when this role was initially offered
Yeah.
to you. What had happened?
So you know, as an actor, I don't know about other actors, but as an actor, I am always conscious about the fact I should not get typecast,
Yes.
or people should get to see different versions of me as an actor, because as an actor आप हमेशा try करते हो I should look different, and I like to be called a versatile actor
Okay.
and a director's actor. So when this came to me, I got a call from Mukesh sir's office. They said ki okay, Param, Anurag sir had told us to audition you for this part. I said, which film? Border. I said, okay. So first doubt came that it's a big cast, it's a massive cast. Will I be seen, or मुझे waste तो नहीं कर दोगे? Because that was the first question came into my head. And then the second question was, you want me to tie a turban? I knew it. For a fact, I knew it. And they said yes.
Initially, they wanted you to do
Yeah.
that. Okay.
So I told the casting guy, bro, I don't want to. Can we skip it, because I want to do it without turban? He said, let's audition and then see where it goes. So I went for the audition to Mukesh sir's office. We auditioned, and after the audition,
That you gave in this turban.
yeah, in
look.
turban. I auditioned for Border in turban. So I think I am disclosing this for the first time.
Okay.
Yeah, I auditioned for Border in turban, and after taking the audition, the casting guy was sure. He said, "Bro, आप ही lock हो. This is the best audition till now."
Acha.
So I said okay, but let the director see it and let's see what he's gonna say about it. So Anurag sir liked the audition. I got a call from casting team. Anurag sir wants to meet you. I said okay. Then I got a call from Anurag sir's chief AD. He said, when can you come? I said, whenever you want.
और ये सब वो टर्बन वाले रोल के लिए
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I went to see Anurag sir. Anurag sir said, I heard that you have a little problem. What's the problem? मैंने बोला सर टर्बन इसमें नहीं बांधे तो ठीक रहेगा. वो बोले क्यों नहीं बांधे, रीज़न क्या है? तो आई टोल्ड हिम कि आई हैव अ फियर ऑफ गेटिंग टाइप कास्ट एंड ऑल. एंड आई वॉज फॉर्चुनेट इनफ, अनुराग सर मान गए. वो मुझे बोले कि आई वॉन्ट यू सो तू मुझे बता हरियाणवी बोल लेगा तू? मैंने कहा सर नो वन हैज़ गिवन मी अ चांस टिल नाउ.
Right.
आई थिंक व्हेन यू give an actor a chance to see where you want,
Absolutely.
how, what can he perform, can he talk in this language, this accent, this whatever it is, so तभी सामने आएगा ना. then अनुराग सर को मैंने बोला, अनुराग कह रहे कि रीडिंग कर लेते हैं. मैंने कहा हाँ. then I read because I know Haryanvi, I have a lot of friends from Haryana.
Right.
And then he hugged me and said welcome on board.
Wow.
That's how border happened.
But you know, I like how you kept your thoughts so clearly in front of the entire team, because usually क्या होता है when the film is so big and you know when there is such a stellar star cast, as a new actor in the industry also you sometimes hesitate, you know, keeping your views, and you end up doing something
Yes.
which you are not happy with probably in the you know in the future.
Yes.
So what went behind that? Like you always wanted to keep this very clearly right at the beginning. वो जरा भी डर नहीं था कहीं भी कि this can also backfire?
डर हमेशा होता है.
Okay.
बट अगर मैं अपने व्यूज़ नहीं रखूँगा तो आई डोंट वांट टू गो ऑन अ सेट जहाँ मेरे थॉट्स डाउट से भरे रहें. बिकॉज इफ़ आई डू लाइक दैट सो डायरेक्ट वो वेस्ट है. मतलब
Absolutely.
मेरा करना भी वो वेस्ट है और प्रोजेक्ट भी ख़राब होगा, मेरी परफॉर्मेंस भी अच्छी नहीं लगेगी. सो आई की लाइक टू कीप एवरीथिंग वेरी क्लियर इन द बिगिनिंग ओनली. आई टॉक टू एवरी वन. सेम थिंग हैपेंड ऑन द सेट्स ऑफ ब्लैक वॉरेंट.
Okay.
I had a doubt. I cleared it with Vikram sir, but I got that doubt while shooting.
Acha.
So we were 7 days in the shoot, and I was like, I don't know if the director is going to use my silences or not. What is the bridge I'm going to make? How am I going to emote? तो I knocked his door. उनका साथी था वैन. तो मैंने कहा सर I want to talk to you. बोले बोलना. मैंने कहा सर नहीं, बाहर बैठ के 5 मिनट चाहिए मुझे. So I kept my views. तो उन्होंने बोला he clarified everything. और उसके बाद परफॉर्मेंस का मज़ा ही कुछ और था.
Right.
दिस आई हैव बीन क्लियर फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ओनली बिकॉज क्लैरिटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेदर इट बी अ पार्ट, वेदर इट बी वेयर यू वांट टू गो, वेदर इट बी एनीथिंग. इफ देयर इज नो क्लैरिटी देन देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ वर्किंग. क्यों खराब करूँ मैं किसी का प्रोजेक्ट?
True. Also, you know, another challenge I think so that also comes with a film like this is being an outsider, especially, you know, there is a star cast which is already established
Yes.
in the with the audiences. Okay. When you are a part of an ensemble and it's your second film in
Yes.
Bollywood, वो एक डर रहता है as an actor also to be seen or to stand out in that cast.
Of course, that is always there because when you are working with such big actors, so you know that people are going to come to watch them. I don't have such a big audience जितनी अभी सनी सर की है, वरुण की है, दिलजीत की है. मेरी audience उतनी नहीं है.
Right.
So how can I leave my impact on the person who's coming to watch the film? That is always there because I want to grow. Even I want to be there.
Right.
So I have to keep everything in my mind before performing. That's why I am always clear with the directors also.
Okay.
Because I ask a lot of questions. Sir, ये कहाँ से आया? ये क्यों हुआ? यहाँ मैं ये कर लूँ, यहाँ मैं वो कर लूँ. Because then there is no point कि मैं एक पार्ट करके चला जाऊँ, नोटिस भी ना हो. क्योंकि मैंने ना एक अजीत सर से, अजीत पाल सिंह द डायरेक्टर ऑफ टब्बर, आई आस्क्ड हिम वंस, सर दिस इज़ द पार्ट, शुड आई डू इट और नॉट? तो ही सेड, परम कुछ स्क्रिप्ट को इफेक्ट हो रहा है तेरे होने या ना होने से. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट. अगर इफेक्ट हो रहा है स्टोरी को तो फिर तो वो पार्ट कर. डजंट मैटर इट्स सिंगल सीन और 2 सीन्स और इट्स अ बिग पार्ट. फर्क पड़ रहा है तो कर.
Right.
So that's what I follow. And
Okay.
I have a team who thinks very good about me, who's always in support, who's always thinking about how to grow, how to make him a star. So I'm very fortunate like that.
You know, on a set where there is Varun Dhawan, there is Diljit Dosanjh, there is Sunny Deol, what is the, you know, off-screen camaraderie like?
So I have my majority of my scenes are with Varun
Yes.
and a few scenes with Sunny sir. So in the beginning I was a little worried कि oh, Varun Dhawan is a very big star, and I don't know, his father is also a big director, so I'm going to work with him, and I don't know how is he going to be on the sets, because अगर थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर नीचे हुआ तो scenes impact होंगे नहीं होंगे. But 2-3 दिन हुए थे, we started getting along very nicely and the ice broke when we started playing cricket.
Okay.
So on our days off we used to play cricket in the hotel. So वरुण भाई की टीम से मुझे कॉल आ जाता, चीमा एक दिन बिगनिंग में मैं नीचे गया नहीं, मैंने कहा यार क्या मतलब,
Right.
तो कॉल आया चीमा, तो वरुण ने बोला यार कहाँ है, आना यार खेलते हैं. उसके बाद अच्छा हुआ, देन वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग. वरुण भाई, because at that time Black Warrant got released.
हाँ, yes.
So Varun bhai watched Black Warrant and he liked my work and he came to me and said कि परम, I've seen Black Warrant, I love your work, even my wife likes your work. जब वो आई भी उन्होंने मुझे स्पेशल मिलाया, अरे ये वही लड़का जिसकी आंखें, तो यही हुआ था. हाँ, तो वो हुआ. उसके बाद एक there was this scene, I was doing one scene and my spot boy told कि वरुण sir was going back and he stopped.
Okay.
अपनी गाड़ी का दरवाज़ा बंद किया और ही केम बैक. उन्होंने देखा कि यार चीमा का सीन है सर, मुझे आई वांट टू सी दिस सीन, व्हाट एन एक्टर यार.
अरे
तो यस, मज़ा आया. सनी सर के साथ एक दो सीन्स हैं बट वो तो ब्रो, मतलब सनी देओल को तो हम कब से देख रहे हैं, तो उनके
course.
साथ, एंड ही हैज़ अ वेरी बिग ऑरा.
true.
So it was
Very strong one.
Yeah, it was always there. Okay, Sunny sir is going to come in 15 days. Sunny sir is coming in 13 days, 10 days, 8, 3,
The
2.
countdown.
Sunny sir is here. You see a car coming on the sets, and Sunny sir is getting out of the car, and you're like, oh, that's Sunny Deol. And Sunny Deol is quiet, not talking, very shy. And when you see him on screen, on the monitor, and you're like, oh my god, this, now I can feel border. Now I
Right.
can feel what is border. And then I had a scene with him. So I had to walk from a very long way to come to him, or kuch conversation hai. And in the beginning my hands were shivering कि ओ देखते हैं झंडा जाके देना सनी सर को, कैसे होगा. But when I entered the scene, I gave him the flag. I was standing and listening what he's saying, and you just get lost in your own world, watching what Sunny Deol is performing. You are just in the scene, and I used to recall the dialogues that he was speaking in that especially in that scene. You remember everything that he said. That's the power of Sunny Deol. You
absolutely.
remember every line, every way, कहाँ उन्होंने स्ट्रेस दिया, कहाँ छोड़ा, कैसे बोला, वो आपको उनका डायलॉग उनके फॉर्म में, उनके वे में याद रहता है.
Absolutely. And you know, while दिलजीत के साथ सीन्स नहीं है, आहान के साथ सीन्स नहीं है, ऑफ स्क्रीन इंटरेक्शन तो हुआ
No,
होगा.
we never met off screen. No.
Oh,
because
अच्छा.
हमारा शूट बिगिनिंग में हो
अच्छा,
गया था.
completely अलग ही
Yeah.
शूट हुआ.
After that they shot with Sunny sir, and then they shot with everyone else. So we finished our shoot in April.
अच्छा.
Jan, we started around end of Jan and finished in April.
Amazing. Also, you know, you've done Border now. You've done तेरे इश्क में, उसके पहले Black Warrant हुआ है. But you have been around in the industry for 10 years now.
Yes.
This is your 10th year.
Yeah.
Coming here into this industry, what was the challenge? Because you know, as a son in an Indian household, वो एक उम्मीदें हम पर हमेशा लगा दी जाती है कि आफ्टर यू कम टू अ सर्टेन एज आप जॉब करके कमाने लगोगे, यू हैव अ हाउस टू रन. वो स्टोरी क्या है? यू नो, व्हेन यू टोल्ड एट होम कि मुझे बॉम्बे आना है एक्टर बनने.
So I never thought of being an actor in the
अच्छा,
beginning.
okay,
I just wanted to stay out of my house for some time because I've been home all my life.
okay.
And then I shifted to Delhi to do modeling. And my father was like, कुछ टाइम करेगा और वापस आ जाएगा. ठीक है, everybody does that. But during the time period when I was staying in Delhi, I got a shoot in Bombay. I got a call from a guy and he said, okay, we have an ad shoot and we'll give you the tickets and we'll give you 7,000. So total budget 10 है, उसमें से मेरा कमीशन 3,000, 7,000 तुझे मिलेगा. तो मैंने कहा यार ये तो बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. They are giving you tickets, they are giving you a stay, उसके बाद they are giving you 7,000 rupees.
हाँ.
And I came to Bombay and this was an ad shoot with Namit Das was the main guy and I was in the featured cast. और हम वहाँ बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, हम कैमरा में नज़र भी नहीं आए.
Okay.
But we were very happy कि हमें 7,000 मिल रहे हैं और टिकट मिल रहा है. Then I postponed my return ticket. I said, can you book it a week later? Is it okay? And मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ जिसका रुका था जिम गया, वहाँ पे मुझे एक लड़का मिला. वो मुझे बोला कि मैंने कहा दोस्ती हो गई. क्या करता है? कहता ब्रो मैं आई गो टू थिएटर. I said, can I come along with you? He said yes. Next day I went with him to theater, and when I was there for 2-3 days, जब मैंने थिएटर किया तो मुझे लगा कि यार यही तो करना है. Because as humans we have a tendency to hold on to emotions. We
Right.
don't share a lot of things with others. We keep a lot of things to ourselves. अंदर अंदर ही पिसते रहते हैं. And when you get a chance to showcase those emotions that you have inside you on a stage, and then people appreciate, clap when you do a good scene, an emotional scene. So I think वही था point कि I told my father that I think I want to be an actor. He said, तू हीरो बनेगा? तो मैंने कहा हाँ. मुझे बोले बहुत मुश्किल है. मैंने कहा गिव मी 6 months. He said, okay, you have 6 months. उसके बाद but first complete your LLB first. Then I completed my LLB. Then I came to Bombay.
अच्छा.
Then my journey started.
But वो 6 months में
6
something.
months में I
अच्छा.
got that TV show.
कली रे.
Yes.
अच्छा.
Then
अरे वाह.
my father started believing in me. Okay, he can do something.
And उसके बाद Black Warrant happened and things changed a lot after that.
Yes.
Industry के perception कब change हुआ?
Perception in the sense,
Like that validation, that appreciation that Varun noticed you for your
Yeah.
performance. Things like these from the industry. Did that also happen after Black Warrant?
no, that
only?
started after Tabbar.
Acha, okay.
So when I did Tabbar, because a lot of people in the industry have watched it, and it's a very well-made show.
Absolutely.
And I got this breakthrough performance. My name was written: Ranveer Singh, Paramveer Cheema, Vikrant Messi.
Right.
There were 5 names, और इन दोनों के बीच में मेरा नाम था. And people started getting to know me. Okay, this is the guy, and he's a good actor. But they wanted to know more of me. They wanted to see me working more. कि और क्या करता है? एक तो performance दे दी, अभी और क्या करता है? क्या है हमारे लिए ना, we are outsiders. हमारे लिए एक परफॉर्मेंस खराब दे दो ना, तो 5 अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस लोग भूल जाते हैं.
Absolutely.
और स्टार किड्स के लिए क्या है, मैंने अब आई विल टेल यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड ओनली. किसी की फिल्म आई थी, आई विल नॉट टेक द नेम. तो मैंने बोला ब्रो वो यार मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी. मैंने कहा अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं की. कहता यार उसकी पहली फिल्म थी. बट इट्स द ऑपोजिट विद अस. अरे यार इतना ही था, इसका हो गया. सो दैट कॉन्फिडेंस जो इंडस्ट्री को आया मेरे ऊपर, दैट केम आफ्टर ब्लैक वॉरेंट. बट पीपल स्टार्टेड noticing me, started knowing me in the industry after Tabbar.
Absolutely. You were also in the running for Amar Singh Chamkila, the one that was made on Netflix. What happened? Why did you, choose Chamak over Chamkila?
I didn't choose Chamak. I chose Chamak. Yeah, there was a reason, because Chamkila, they told me to block the dates. Okay, you are in top 5. You can get locked for this. But Chamak was in my hands.
Okay.
So I thought इधर तो I don't know इम्तियाज सर मेरे को सिलेक्ट करेंगे नहीं, because मैंने उनका देखा काम, his body of work. He has always worked with Ranbir Kapoor and this. मुझे लगा as an outsider I don't know if he'll take me or not.
Right.
And then Rohit sir called me and he said that okay, you are the lead of my show. And I read the script, but it was a brilliant script. So I thought कि इसमें I can show a more range as an actor, because 12 episodes, big episodes,
Right.
and very different look. और वो तो हाथ में है ना, इसका तो पता नहीं. तो I think that was a fair decision कि मैंने वो choose किया.
Right.
What do you think?
I think it was a good one. But what I also want to understand is the characters. Both of you all have played the role of Chamkila only. Did you ever go back and compare your performance with that one, or the story, or anything like that?
No, nothing like that. Because I've been a fan of Imtiaz sir, and that's a different story. Because I always say where Chamkila ends, Chamak starts.
हाँ. But कहीं ना कहीं also what happened is Chamkila released and Chamak का release आगे पीछे हो गया कुछ, because of it Chamak did not get the attention that it should have.
Yes.
Technically.
Yes.
वो कहीं ना कहीं, so sometimes do you go back and think कि यार I should have waited and done Chamkila rather?
You know what I think?
What?
Chamak will get more attention now.
Of course, I think
Because
so.
now people are getting to know me, so people revisit my work, so people are watching a lot of things that I have done. I get messages, so धीरे धीरे मेरा ग्राफ बढ़ेगा, तो मेरा पिछला काम भी आएगा.
Absolutely.
तो शायद सोनी कॉल करे, तीसरा सीजन बना देते हैं.
It's been 10 years, you're just getting started right now. But today as an artist, especially as a young artist today in this industry who has a long journey ahead of him, what is that one fear and what is that one challenge?
One fear is always this, that कोई मुझे वेस्ट ना कर दे एज एन एक्टर,
Okay.
बिकॉज लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, एक गलत काम आपको 5 साल पीछे ले जाता है. तो आई एम वेरी ऑलवेज वेरी फोकस्ड दैट आई शुड चूज गुड वर्क विच विल जस्ट लेवल मी अप. एंड द चैलेंज इज टू स्टे हम्बल, टू स्टे लॉयल टू द वर्क, और ये फालतू की नॉइस को शट अप करके जस्ट कीप वॉकिंग द पाथ आई एम वॉकिंग.
But at this point, you can afford to be choosy with
Yeah,
work.
yeah, I am choosy always.
Acha.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
But uska, like being choosy is not a fear then. Ki, because sometimes also what happens
But
is you never know
sometime-
what would be the fate of a story.
I know, but जहाँ तक I can think of it, जहाँ तक मेरा दिमाग चलता है, जहाँ तक जितनी मेरी कैपेबिलिटी है सोचने की, उस पे तो मैं उतना तो सोचता हूँ. Rest is in God's hands, so let's see.
Also, lastly, before we wrap this up, one thing I want to know from you, आजकल क्या हो रहा है with Border 2 also we saw this, that there is a lot of manufactured smear campaigns that happens, like Varun's trolling that happened with the film. There has been this new trend in the industry where contemporaries, like actors, are pulling down actors, they are running negative campaigns behind their back also to do this.
But I don't think that actors are doing it. I don't think.
No, it does happen to a great extent, not so openly,
Yeah.
but होता है कि किसी और को pull down करने people do this in the industry at
But
times.
how I see it, I would be, इतना वेला कौन है यार, अपने को अपने से फुर्सत नहीं है,
Right.
तो दूसरे को नीचे खींच के क्या मिलेगा.
True.
और इफ यू आर गोइंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन, तो आपका डाउनफॉल तो खुद ही स्टार्ट हो गया है. यू आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन योर वर्क, यू आर स्केयर्ड, यू हैव अ लिमिटेड क्राफ्ट, एंड यू वांट टू पुल द अदर पर्सन डाउन. जिसको आप जितना नीचे खींचोगे वो उतना ही ऊपर चला जाएगा. That's
that
how
is
I
also
see
true.
it. Yeah.
Well, amazing. Wish you all the very best. And I am very, very sure that a lot of, good, amazing work is in store.
Thank you,
And
Nawaz.
Black Warren 2, I hope, is happening now. Because बीच में हमने पढ़ा था that there was a roadblock.
Yeah, there was a roadblock, but the breakers are always on the road, so we just jump the breakers and निकल जाते हैं.
It's happening now.
I can't give an official statement, but
Okay.
yes, it will happen because it is supposed to be happen. It's a well-made show. It's a brilliant show. It has a
Right.
good audience, so it will happen.
Well, looking forward and all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.